All right, guys, so today we are going to use the solve method to help us determine whether or not we need to add or subtract when we're looking at a word problem. We really need to not skip the study part of the solve method because that's what's going to help you. So make sure that you are not skipping that part. You're going to sit there and watch me model how to do this problem right here. So let me go ahead and read it. Veronica had 3 5/10 pounds of cat litter in her car. She spilled 1 7/10 pounds of it and had to throw it away. How many pounds does she have left? So what do I know? Well, I know that Veronica had 3 5/10 pounds. Okay, then I know that she spilled 1 7/10 pounds, and then she had to throw it away. What don't I know? Well, I don't know how many pounds she has left. So when I look at this and I look at the anchor chart in the back of the room, I know that I need to ask myself one of two questions. First, am I looking for a total? Because if I'm looking for a total, I'm going to either add or multiply. But if I already know a total, then I'm either going to subtract or divide. So I'm going to write that here for me. Total, I'm going to put looking, for total or no total. Because I know that if I'm looking for it, I'm either going to add or multiply. If I know my total, I'm either going to subtract or divide. So when I look at this, well, I can see that she started off with 3 5/10 pounds, and then she spilled some of that. So you know what? This is my total, guys. So that means that I'm either going to be subtracting or dividing. But is this in equal groups? No. So that means that I am going to be subtracting, because if I think about it as a reader, I want you to remember these word problems, guys, we can look at them as readers. When I look at this as a reader, I can tell that if I had something, let's say I have a drink from Sonic and I spill it, that means I'm going to have less. And I can see also that part of my question is how many does she have left over? So that means that I'm going to be subtracting in this case. So let's see. I'm going to be subtracting 3 5/10 minus 1 7/10. All right, so here, this is the part that kind of tripped us up when we were subtracting fractions last week. When we're subtracting, guys, remember, we can't subtract a big number from a smaller number. So that means that when I'm looking for it and I'm looking for my total, that is the fraction that I'm going to start off with. So I need to start off with 3 5/10. And when I look at this and I'm going to ask myself, well, how am I going to draw 3 5/10? I'm going to ask myself, how many wholes did I start off with? Well, 3. But then I have a part of 1. So whether I want to or not, I need to draw 4 fraction bars here, because I'm going to start off with 3 of those that are completely filled in and then 5/10 of another one. So let me start off. I have 1, 2, 3, and then my last one is 4. All right, so now I need to say, all right, I have to have 5 on this side, 5 on this side. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now let's do that again. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I have 4 whole fractions. And what do I need to shade in? I need to shade in 3 and 5 tenths. So I'm going to do it with this green pen. So to show the 3, I'm going to shade in the complete bar. All right, so this is 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. That's 3. And then I have 5 tenths. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 10, 20, 30, 35. So this is equivalent to 35 over 10ths. That is my improper fraction. And I'm going to take away, I'm going to X out 1 and 7 tenths. But guys, when we're Xing out, let's always start by taking away the fraction part instead of the whole number part. And also, let's start at the end, especially if this is where I have the fraction that is not complete. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've already taken away that part. Now I need to take away the complete 1. So I'm just going to say, all right, so now there I go. So what do I have left over? I have 1, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 8 over 10. Or I could say this is 10, and this is 8 more. I could say that either this is 1 and 8 tenths, or it is 18 tenths. Because what did I take away? I took away 7, I took away 10 and 7, so I took away 17 tenths. So, guys, this is how I'm going to answer it. I want you to make sure that your answer is nice and boxed in, because I want to be able to, when I'm grading it, I want to be able to see what your answer is. So next, you are going to be solving this next one with a partner. Let me go ahead and read it, and somebody please turn the slide so I can read it with you guys. Actually, you know what? I think I can do it like this. All right, Gina the giraffe ate 4 3/4 pounds of leaves for breakfast. Later, she ate 2 2/4 pounds of leaves for breakfast for a snack. How many pounds of leaves did she eat altogether? So right now, work with the partner at the carpet. I want to see you show me and the sub the knowns and the unknowns. And then I want you to draw out the model. Remember, we're starting off with the model. And I want you to go ahead and solve this. Do you need to add or subtract? All right, good luck.